In this video, we're looking at the Kodak Pixpro waterproof digital camera. This camera is a great choice for those who love capturing moments in wet or adventurous settings. With its waterproof design, it can go with you to the beach, pool, or on a rainy hike without worry. The camera offers 20.2 megapixels, which means you'll get sharp and detailed photos. The 5x optical zoom allows you to get closer to your subject, whether it's a distant animal or a fair off landscape. It also has autofocus, so you don't have to struggle to get the perfect shot. When it comes to ease of use, the Kodak Pixpro shines. It has a simple interface with big buttons, making it easy to operate even when you're wearing gloves or your hands are wet. You can quickly switch between shooting modes, like video and photo. For storage, it supports micro SD cards, so you can keep adding more space as you need it. And the battery life is decent, lasting long enough for a full day of shooting. Overall, the Kodak Pixpro waterproof digital camera is a reliable and feature-rich option for anyone looking to capture memories in all sorts of environments. Whether you're an amateur photographer or just someone who wants to document their adventures, this camera is worth considering.